In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. If you're looking to get more organized and manage your tasks efficiently, using ClickUp's planner templates is a fantastic way to start. Now, let's dive right into the process. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to your desired space or list within ClickUp. This is the foundational step where you'll anchor your new planners. So choose a location that makes sense for your workflow, whether it's a specific project or a broader organizational space. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the plus sign within this space or list. This will typically be towards the top of your ClickUp interface, often accompanied by options for various new elements you can add to your workspace. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see a menu that includes an option for templates. Go ahead and click on Templates. This section houses all the pre-designed structures you can leverage in ClickUp, saving you the time and effort of starting from scratch. Within the Templates menu, you'll find a box under Template Types. Click this box to reveal a drop-down menu that showcases different categories of templates. Here, you can search and filter through to find what suits you best. Type Weekly Planner into the search bar within the Templates section. This will narrow down the list of templates, helping you quickly locate the Weekly Planner template that will serve as our first visual organization tool. Once you find the Weekly Planner template, click on it to select it. This template provides a structured way to organize your weekly tasks and agendas, giving you clarity at a glance on upcoming commitments and deliverables. After selecting the desired template, you'll see an option to Use Template. Click on this to bring the weekly planner into your chosen space or list. This step integrates the pre-designed planner into your workflow, making it ready for customization and use. With the weekly planner set up, you can opt to include videos or additional resources by clicking on the Videos section. This feature can enhance your team's understanding and use of the planner with multimedia elements. If you need a similar tool to manage daily tasks, simply click the plus sign again. This time, we'll look to add a daily planner alongside our weekly one. Repeat similar steps. Click on Templates, search for Daily Planner, and select it from the list. Click on Use Template once again to integrate it into your ClickUp environment. By following these steps, you will have both a daily and weekly planner ready for use. These tools will streamline your task management process, heighten productivity, and ensure that you never miss an important deadline. There you have it, a simple, efficient way to create both a daily and weekly planner in ClickUp. Happy organizing!